Hi everyone. Okay, this is the cake we baked from my knitting. Nom, 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 nom. After this, we're gonna brush our teeth. It's gonna take a while to finish this.
It's yummy. Really?
Especially with some chocolate. Ew. Blue cream. Mmm. Green tea. So much to taste. Can't hold it. Okay.
Yung mga antigaw ka butter. Butter,